Hi, dear listener. In case you are about to develop your own project, this Master Bundles audio episode is just what the doctor ordered. Why? Well, we will tell you about all the secrets of today's pitching techniques and share 50 plus awesome pitch deck templates with you. As you may already know, startups are quite popular. In 2022, almost every user has a couple of ideas to present to their fans. The best way to do this is a pitch deck, which is quite a popular activity at startup events. Visiting one of these kinds of meetings, a young businessman does their best to stand out from the crowd. Without a doubt, you likely already know a lot about these events. In fact, the winner not only gets all the attention, but there is also a reward. The main prize is getting a strong partnership with an investor. Sooner or later, that's what any idea requires. What is a pitch deck? First things first, let's share the pitch deck definition. Basically, a pitch is the name of all the actions a startup entrepreneur does to sell their product. Pitch is the ability to present your idea, and the main task of pitching is to create an eye-catching and wallet-opening promo. How can you do the investor pitch deck? Well, this is what this article is going to teach you. So, to sum everything up, a pitch deck is the speech or presentation performance you make during a startup event to grab the attention of potential investors. It can include any kind of visual presentation. Working on a pitch, remember that whatever you do it for one reason: to sell something. You may want to sell such things as your services, your idea, your business, or any other plan, your project, your business strategy, your team. Slides of a pitch deck. A pitch deck usually consists of several slides that help you tell a compelling story about your business. You can put together such a presentation using a standard program, such as PowerPoint, or use already made templates. However, there are some key points that you need to consider while making your pitch deck. The first slide, intro. The introductory slide should be concise and visually appealing, tell people who you are and why you're here. On this slide, you can also talk about the value proposition of your business. Try to articulate it in a single phrase or sentence. The second slide, problem. A startup idea is always about solving a particular problem. You need to describe the problem on the second slide of a pitch deck. The third slide, solution. Okay. The audience already knows the problem. Now they want to understand which solution you can propose. The fourth slide, market size and opportunities. Do the research. Demonstrate the data from your research by showing past market growth and potential market growth in the future on a slide, so investors can easily understand the potential of your product. The fifth slide, the product. Finally, it is the right time to present the product you've made. If it's a tangible product, add professional photos of your product. You can also include images of individual components or a cross-sectional view to elaborate on the materials and features of your product. If your product is an app or online service, add screenshots showing its unique features. The sixth slide, the growth. This slide should focus on the growth of your business, the number of sales you've made, the major goals you've achieved so far, and the next steps. Most pitch decks include a growth curve chart in this slide. Guy Kawasaki created his October 20th 30 rule for pitch deck, which means 10 slides are the optimal number for a presentation. 20 minutes is the longest time you should talk. A 30-point font is the smallest font size you should use on your slides. He also presented the structure of the perfect pitch deck. Title slide. Describe the problem or opportunity. Tell about the key value of your product or service. Write about your secret sauce, the unique technology or magic behind your product. Share your business model. Describe the market entry and scaling. Analyze the competitors. Talk about your team. Provide the financial forecast/key metrics. Explain your current status/timeline/use of funds. There are some crucial tips everyone should know to create an eye-catching pitch deck. Pick the template and color palette of your presentation. Pay attention to minimalistic, simple templates. Show your branding. If you already have a logo or wordmark, show them in your pitch deck. The branding is also easy to show through the color theme, especially if you already have some unique color combinations. Use charts to simplify the numbers. A chart helps to see and understand the completed numeric info in a simple and quick way. Use your own photos. People are more likely to remember visual information, but don't decorate every slide with photos. Use them to show your product, team, etc. Remember that they should be professionally made. Use icons to organize complicated information. Create a hierarchy for text elements. Use contrasts. Remember that elements of your presentation should be in contrast to the background. Avoid using a template where everything has a similar color and contrast. Get started with expert templates. If you have decided to use ready-made templates, we recommend you try some of the free and paid professional themes for your pitch deck that you can find in our article on the Master Bundles blog, link in the description. There you may find minimalistic and aesthetic templates in pastel colors, black and white, and beige backgrounds. And if you prefer eye-catching designs, there are many contrast pitch deck templates that also look amazing. To sum up, you now have all the necessary items to make an outstanding pitch deck. Never forget to use your creativity and listen to your heart as you prepare a powerful speech that you will like by yourself too. It will give you additional confidence while presenting your project to the audience. If you create pitch deck presentation templates and are looking for platforms to sell them, you can upload them to Master Bundles with our convenient Sell Your Deal form. Find the link in the description to this episode. Profitable conditions, vendor-friendly commissions, fast moderation, and a cozy atmosphere are guaranteed. May the creative force be with you. Master Bundles is always here to help you with the coolest templates and best advice. Till the next episode.